Hello, if you're in South Africa, Talmondia, Kreisrik, in Joburg. Listen up. I give up on life because you are busy stealing Muskan's money. You stole Muskan's money, her 20 rand. You stole Autumn's stuff, and then you steal Elisha's lunch when others is no home. You know, you can just ask her something, and then you go like, can I borrow this? Can I borrow that? There is no reason to steal. And if you don't have lunch, I take it. When I try, you try. I give up. You're the one who's busy being so, not good. But the 20 rand, you stealing money. You don't ask teachers for money. Please, never ask a teacher for money. Unless it's a part of your family and they'll let you. Or if they are your schoolmates or something. I wanna but say stealing money return. And as Muskan said, you might not be get get a punishment now, but then you'll forget later on in your life. Then you'll get this punishment. Then you'll remember why, because you were stealing in grade 3A. Chuna, it's chai. And when I say shame, you are grade 3A. The stealer will be known as the stealer class. When I pack, it's chai. Because next year you are the one who failed, who passed, and then we go. Which literally it's like so close to next year, my child. And when I try for you, when I try, good luck, bro. My Lani, good luck. You and I, good luck. Like, if you like being like this, like, good luck. Please, tell me in the comments. Are you the stealer? Please, I'll tell Muskan anyways. And we get detention. If you do it, I hope you get detention for stealing money, my Lani. Hi, for stealing money. Good luck. Chuna, good luck. Because I'm just saying, you're the one who's busy stealing other people's stuff. You're the one who's stealing Autumn stuff. You stole. And like, Muskan has a few success that I thought of. That she said, like a few months ago. Oh, but I don't know who the stealer is. But good luck.